Here we have a second example using Spearman's rank. We can see that we have, in this case, 7 competitors. If we look at the difference, here Judge X thinks that A was third, and Judge Y thinks he's 6. This is a difference of 3. This is a difference of 4, a difference of 5, another difference of 5, a difference of 1, a difference of 1, and a difference of 5. We're interested in D squared, so we square each value. 9, 16, 25, 25, 1, 1, and 25. If we sum D squared, which means adding this row, we get 102, and we know n is 7, so we can substitute into the formula. 1 take away, 6 times 102, divided by 7, times 7 squared minus 1. Calculating this, we get minus 23 over 28, or as a decimal, minus 0.821. The fact this is negative tells us that the judges disagree, and the fact it's beyond 0.7, we have minus 0.8, indicates that they strongly disagree.